What is up, Trees Tribe? I am so happy to be back with another video. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Today, my tribe gets to join me in a get ready with me as we get ready to go to this amazing restaurant that I found as we talk about the topic of confidence. Are you ready? All right, let's go. Hey y'all, what is up, Trees Tribe? As you can see, my face is clean, moisturized, and ready for makeup. Confidence is a feeling of self-assurance arising from one's appreciation of one's own ability or quality. It's a little hard seeing through this camera, so this mirror right here is going to have to be my best friend. I won't be going through the entire process of me doing my makeup today. However, I think this is the most important part when it comes to makeup. Eyebrows is what really brings out my confidence. Just having my eyebrows done correctly, nice and sharp, girl, it does something. And if I don't like the appearance of how it looks, best believe it is getting wiped off and done again. Because no, we're not doing that. Sorry guys, my camera died, but it's perfectly fine because we will be talking a little bit more about confidence as I bake my face. To start off, I believe that people aren't born with confidence. Over time, as people start to craft and master their skills, start to see their worth and the power that they have, they start to walk with boldness, sense of courage, and just being extremely sure of themselves. Alright, as much as I love baking my face, this thing gets everywhere if you aren't cautious. Like, of course. Now, the opposite of being confident would have to be being extremely doubtful, having so much fear in your heart, and being insecure. I don't believe that fear could stop you from being confident. Walking into that meeting, walking into that presentation, showing exactly what you're made of will get you that position that you've always wanted. And when you think about it, a lot of people that are trying out for that position that you're trying out for are also scared as well. So walk in there with confidence and do what you have to do because you don't want to miss out on a lifelong opportunity because of fear. Speaking about fear, let's get into how we could help each other get more confident. The first thing we have to do is stop speaking negatively upon our lives. We have a tendency of always saying enough. We're not good enough, we're not smart enough, we're not pretty enough, we're not enough. We're going to change our language today. We are enough, we are perfect in God's eyes, we are that. When you walk into the room, you see that highlight right there? That's how much we're glowing. And now that's how you have to walk into every facility you walk into. I'm gonna let the lashes dry up a little bit. In the meantime, I am just going to quickly use my mascara to get my lashes together so that they could match up a little bit. Time out, tribe, because we're never walking into a room thinking that we're better than anyone. That is the epitome of being conceited. We're not looking to be conceited. We're not looking to be better or compare ourselves to others. We're looking for confidence. We're looking to change our mindsets, knowing what God created, knowing our purpose, knowing our beauty, knowing that we all have our different paths in life. Girl, you did that. Know that. So while my lashes dry up, I'm going to line my lips with this eyebrow pencil. Honestly, it works perfectly fine. I'm running late, and girl, let me tell you, it is getting hot. We need to hurry up. We're going to quickly spray with some setting spray, and of course we have to do the picture test. So that's when you take your flash and you turn off the lights and make sure that you do not look like Casper. So I'm gonna touch up and spray one more time, of course, so that it could set and do what it do, baby. And I think I'm pretty good. I'm satisfied. I am happy. We're gonna let this air out and we could finally get to the hair. Ooh, girl. Come on now. Now this side I'm not too confident about, but honestly it doesn't matter because it will be covered as I straighten my hair. It's, you see, yeah, it won't even matter. It's just one of those days where it's like, all right, we gotta hurry up. Like, we're about to be an hour late. We need to hurry up. As we start getting these lumps out of my hair, let's talk about how we could continue boosting our confidence. Something we could do is say no to failure. Whatever you do, do not give up at what you are striving for. Because remember, some of your weaknesses could become some of your greatest strengths in life. Own your flaws and fight doubt. With that, I think you will surprise yourself at so many things that you're able to accomplish due to the fact you're just able to get over the fear, get over the doubt, and just walk in there like you some bosses. When you look good, you feel good. So don't forget to get dolled up and take yourself out on a pretty dinner on a Saturday night, whether it be by yourself or with a loved one. Tonight I am out with my lovely friend Delassie. Say hey girl. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Trees Tribe, we consist of nothing but truth, tears, and triumph. So if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? Love you guys. Bye.